Today I'm going to show you how to share a transcript with someone else so that they can do corrections on names, titles, brand names, things like that, and that you as a video editor can then take that corrected transcript, re-import it, and use it for text-based editing. So the first thing is you need to be working with your source transcript. So right now I have this interview with Kirsten and Show Source Monitor Transcript is selected. I'll go to the overflow menu and I'll say Export, Export to Text File. And I'll save that to my desktop and I'll email it to my colleague who does the corrections. So the copy editor will get a text file with a transcript like this. And they can go in and they can correct the spelling of names, and they can correct capitalization and any other misspellings. And then they can click Save and send it back to you. So once I've saved the corrected file to my desktop, then I can say Import, Import Corrected Transcript, Kirsten. And you'll see now it has her name spelled correctly and capitalization on her title. Then, once you've done that correction, you can start using it for text-based editing. All right, try it out and let us know how it goes.